see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle-tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together.
What's up, YouTube family? Y'all, I'm gonna be honest with you. I didn't really record anything today. I've just been chilling. The most that I've done is I got up and I went to IHOP and got some nice pancakes. You know what I'm saying? I was craving them so hard this morning. But I got back and I just pretty much been chilling. I just uploaded well, to y'all it'll be last week's vlog, but I just uploaded that. You know, it's Friday, fun day, but it's like super cold outside, so I've just been in here, been chilling, you know, cooling, nothing major. But just wanted to, you know, talk to you guys, see what's up. Well, I can't see what's up because by the time y'all see this video, hopefully y'all respond. Like I'd like for y'all to respond to me when I'm talking to you in these videos. You know, I don't want to feel like I'm talking to myself, even though I am kind of talking to myself technically. But you know, y'all know what I mean. But yeah, just checking in with you guys. So yeah. Morning. My face looks swole. Y'all, look at this half-decorated tree. They ain't have enough lights to finish decorating it. And y'all see that sky.
You got it?
Yes.
Oh, nigga, you're recording.
I'm vlogging, nigga, yes.
Boy, fuck you.
That's what we do.
What the fuck you vlogging? Bitch, you been asleep all damn day.
Girl. Why you telling my business like that? She telling my business, y'all. I have been asleep all day though. I ain't gonna lie. By the time I post this video, y'all will see a significant time difference. Major time difference. Because the last time I recorded was when I had breakfast. So, therefore,
bitch. What kind of vlog?
It is 6:10. Okay.
Nigga, you ate and went to bed. That's what that sound like.
I did. 6:10. You guys see that?
So I'll go park on the side of this. Well, damn.
Girl, this is a vlog, all right? So anyway, y'all, before I was rudely interrupted by Xavier, ooh, my boots glittering. But yeah. You had me at cookies.
Xavier, you came back, man.
Fat. 2 cookies. Fat.
Get the cards.
You been playing card game.
Gotta leave my quarters. Y'all need change. I got nickels too. The cool's outside, so y'all need something to drink on this. I don't know how old y'all need something to drink.
Did you just?
That is her chair. Yeah. She made money on that chair.
Oh, this your rookie chair, ma'am? You know what? Put your pants up with these 2 cookies. Bro, bye. Leave the door. Exit. These are quarters I want. Exit. What's up, guys? I'm eating. You know, I'm my happiest when I'm eating. Here she goes throwing in her 2 cents nobody asked for. Drink your room temperature water, man. Girl, anyway.
Yeah, I thought that was Duke. That's your foot.
Got my quarters ready for this game.
You don't even know how to play the game.
Z, dang, your bag heavy, Z. She can't prepare. You brought too much money. Y'all, my bag all dingy and dang you with the quarters. She got rain. Okay, last one. I'm gonna stop messing with her.
I eat the cookies. I eat up all them cookies.
Y'all ready?
No.
Ready? Sit up. Ready?
Oh, we taking pictures.
Say cheese. Okay. She just wants somebody to know she was here.
Oh.
So, I was there.
Yes, I was there.
All right. Ready? I think I should do it up. Nope, gotta go sideways. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. I was there. Yes.
Now she been supposed to be Facebook posted.
Y'all leave. And I got my charged up for the recharge for the rest of the
All
night.
the food, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm a non-drinker, so you know I got my water.
How he didn't end up
She got hers. One more game we're playing. What's the name of this game, man? Pitter pat.
Kitty pat.
Kitty pat.
Kitty pat.
Kitty pat. How does this game go?
You basically have 5 cards.
Oh, no.
Uh-huh.
And you trying to have 2 sets.
They playing.
You basically match. So like, you're gonna have to see.
Okay, let's hear it, y'all. They playing for money. It's quarters. They playing for quarters.
The water's right there.
I got mine right here. Got hers. I'm not playing at the moment, but I'm watching so I can learn, so that I can win all this money.
Confidence.
Gotta be.
Well, he not
This is the
Thursday.
starting off money.
He not Thursday.
She just won her first round.
Get the water right there, baby.
I won my first game, y'all. I won 75 cents because that's what was being played. So watch out for me. 3 times the charm, y'all. Look at all of this pot of gold I got. I'm balling. All these sets I got. Winning
You
sets.
gotta put them coins in the state.
Who win the game?
Right.
Who win the
You
game?
got
I've been winning.
what?
Who
You
win?
real been winning.
Who win?
I got the devils on. Hey!
We doing the water?
Yes.
Winning, y'all. Negativity. Like, stop talking to me. Leave me alone. Y'all, Xavier really over here cracking up because I'm 18 and she 19. She really dying over this. Hilarious. Are you done? Is that funny? It's that funny. Ma'am, are you okay? Do you need water? Go away! way, Xavier. You done?
I could have sworn you were at least 19.
That's what you get for sworning.
Swearing?
Sworning.
Swearing?
Thinking. Okay? Know what I mean?
This bitch done turned 19 until January.
Bitch, and so in other news, how was y'all's day? What y'all been up to?
Bitch, you do not act like an 18-year-old, by the way.
Bitch, I know that.
That's why this is so funny.
I know that.
You're gonna catfish so many people.
I'm grown.
Legally, no.
Anyway, like I was saying, how was y'all's day? What have y'all been up to?
Oh, bitch.
I know I act very mature for my age.
Oh,
Okay.
shit.
I know that. That's why a lot of people like me and grow on me.
Oh.
A lot of people. Wait. What are you doing?
This shit don't fit.
Yeah, bitch. Got you. Got your ass.
Really?
What are
You gonna record me?
What are you doing with
Bro,
life?
do not put this on your fucking page. Do not put this in the video.
Definitely going in
This
the
is
vlog.
off limits.
Going in the vlog. Definitely.
Well, damn. Why is this?
It's a half wig, nigga. It ain't
Okay.
supposed to go over your head. You got it wrong.
Hold on.
Oh God, my stomach. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bro, you look like that tall dude from Proud Family.
What tall dude from the Proud Family? Oh, with the fat ass afro?
Yep.
He be singing?
Yeah.
The video phone.
Get the fuck out. Go away. Go away. Go. Leave.
I got a headache.
I got a stomach ache.
Okay.
Go away, please.
But I'm here to stay.
This nigga, y'all. This girl is. What is wrong with you? What is up? Good morning, yummy unicorns. I was just on my way to head out, but seeing as I do have a couple packages, I think I want to go ahead and show you guys. Let's do that. So remember when I was talking about when I did my Cyber Monday haul, like all the stuff that I ordered? So a couple more things just came in, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple of them because yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys them. And let me show you this first package I got right here. It is from Black Pyramid. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it's from Black Pyramid, which is Chris Brown's line. Ah, fudge. Look at how cute this is. What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, wait, this has been the only thing I've been excited for. I mean, I'm excited for everything else that I ordered, but I've been really waiting on this. This is so cute. They must have a store somewhere because they got a tag on it. But this is really cute. Ouch, my nail. But yeah, this is really cute. So as you guys can see, this is what it looks like. Yeah, front and back. And it was 78 bucks. And with the shipping, it was like 80 something, like 82 I think. But I used my discount code, which I forgot what it was, but I will find it and I will put it in the description box. Cause without the discount code, it was $88. Yo, this is so cute. What? Yo. Y'all. Oh, yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see all of the things that came in. I'm really excited because I think I ordered some of the most coolest stuff. Like, if you guys remember from my last haul, you know I have some pretty cool stuff in there. So once you guys see this, you already know what's up. But yeah, I really like this backpack. I'm gonna have to get it in red, either red or black, because it's only 3 colors that it comes in, which is red, black, and of course yellow. But to start off, I wanted to get the loudest color, you know, because I'm a loud person. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this bag in the comments below. Okay, I'll open these later. Yeah, because I gotta go somewhere anyway. The only thing I'm going to open, because I have to review it, is this box I got from FabFitFun. This box right here. Yep, can't wait to open it and review it. Ain't it cute, guys? Yeah, but yeah, I can't wait to review it for you guys. So I think I might record that video either today or tomorrow. I'm not sure yet, but because I'm already recording like 2 videos for you guys today. It never fails. It seems like every time I want to record, somebody always call me. Like, nobody wants, that's not true, because people call me when I'm not recording, but it seems like more people call me when I am recording. But yeah, so these packages I will be reviewing. I mean, not reviewing, I'm gonna be reviewing this one, but the other ones I'm gonna open a little later, you know. But yeah, guys, see you in a little bit. Did y'all having fun? Oh, she done got out the car. It's getting serious. Shut your ass up. Bro, I'm not gonna deal with y'all. And she getting out the car too. You know what? You know what? You know what? Y'all,
Turn around.
every day. That was a smooth turn.
What the?
Oh, yeah. Oh, go. Whoa. Oh. Okay. Is that a paw? I see under the. Look at they mad. Look at him putting his paw under the garage. Y'all made them mad. Baby, look at his nose. He trying to put it.
Oh, you mad?
He mad. He put the paw under there. He not playing. Oh, he coming back out. Look. He put y'all. He didn't put his mouth. He didn't put his mouth.
He's like,
He didn't piss the dog. Oh. All right. Let's go. Look at him trying to steal my bag, y'all.
I'm stealing it.
And I just got it today.
I'm gonna post a picture with it.
He already stealing my bag, y'all.
Oh, let me fry the chicken.
Oh, he growling.
that's a cute bag.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
It does.
Thank you for my backpack.
That's my. It was.
I'm gonna post to act like it's mine though.
No, you're not.
So feminine.
It.
That is so feminine.
It's Chris Brown's bag.
This is not feminine. A nigga can rock it.
Well, he can probably rock his own shit.
He really could.
Well, I can
He
rock
could.
my own shit too.
It come in 3
Maybe
colors.
should take me back.
Huh?
What colors?
This one black and red.
And black.
Ooh, the black will be cute.
Based off of, you wanna know?
After we
You wanna know what's crazy?
Oh
It's
yeah.
based off of
I was finna say he
down.
he finna hunt us down.
What?
Me with you.
You got the charger, man?
Yes, I do.
I'm sorry for squeezing.
You're good.
Do you have my charger?
Yes, do you have mine?
It's at the crib. I ain't lying. I left it at the crib because I didn't think I was gonna need it. But like I was on my phone all day. I was cheating like a motherfucker.
Oh, well.
I'm gonna try to get back in the ISS for all my finals.
Really?
Look.
The honesty.
This the way. Look.
The honesty.
Cause I cussed Miss Leon and I booked at him and I was like, what you wanna do?
Oh, no.
Nothing that bad.
Oh, you bold.
Nothing that bad.
Nothing major.
Somebody done
Oh, I got my acceptance letters tomorrow. Are you sitting on it?
No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Here.
An acceptance letter to Sam Houston State
She's a bear cat.
University.
I'm a Bearcat brown.
Bear cat.
Miss Xavier is a bear cat.
She on them cats. She ain't with no birds no more.
Ooh, she ain't with the birds no more.
I ain't with the birds.
She ain't
Ooh,
fine.
she ain't with that bird shit.
I ain't with the bird shit. I ain't with the bird.
But
Ooh,
here's how it's set up at Sterling. If you in ISS, you take with one teacher, and that teacher is so fat he don't walk around. So I had my phone on my desk, and I was cheating like a motherfucker, looking up all my answers. So like with all my finals, I want to be at ISS.
The honesty.
I want to be at ISS.
Sterling School, if you're watching this,
Hey,
this
chill out.
is his.
No.
There wasn't this much traffic when we came in.
Traffico.
Traffic.
Oh, they're trying to get
Stay on my mind.
selfies in the back behind us.
Oh, they is trying to get it. They is. Look at them, y'all.
Don't know even best believe I be on active. I'm reckless, I'ma walk up to that hoe and with my cock out. I bet that bitch she talk, be cut up and I'ma shoot her. I'm short and that hoe 2 times. Pussy tight, she give me blue ball. 3-3, that's only one count. Say they know me, I don't know y'all. Baby.
I had panda in the thing, but for a family meal, no, they don't have things on Postmates.
So I just got done recording a tutorial with my friends. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's really funny. I think you guys would like it. But I can't wait to post it so y'all can see it. But I did lashes today. Yeah.
Well, we just did a video.
It's not the same. Not gonna lie to y'all.
Is he gonna kill the tiger at the end?
Yeah, but
All right then.
it's not the same. They done added a whole nother section in here.
But it's like
you
the Jungle
ain't seen the
Book.
whole movie. It's not the same thing.
But I'm saying it's another. Again, it's another version of the Jungle Book.
They going back and forth about this movie
Now, if
on
we get to the
Netflix.
end, and it's another version of the Jungle Book, like I said.
It's not the same.
What do you mean it's not the same?
It's not the same.
The moral of the story is
Eating Chick-fil-A.
he gonna find his manhood, kill the tiger, and boom. That's the Jungle Book.
No. There's still like another 30 minutes of this movie.
I understand it. Oh, you gotta watch another version of the Jungle Book movie.
And I got a cookie. I just like to eat.
They gonna knock you out. They gonna have to knock you out. You gotta try it.
You and Xavier? Yeah?
I told you that. They gonna have to knock you out. Especially if a white man is involved.
What's the name of this movie?
White man don't care about nobody.
What's the name of this movie?
Mowgli. Mowgli.
That's how it's
Mowgli.
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 Mama.
She been going on about this.
Get it together.
I want them to dry him off.
Just throw him a towel, mama. Throw him a towel.
Through TV.
Well, I'm just saying, they be dry though.
She really feeling some type of.
Text me in the group chat. Text me questions you would want to know. So I can just read it.
Okay.
Hold on, it didn't do what it did last time.
Wait. She's recording her intro video right now. I'm so proud of her, girl. Yes, girl. See, now you talking about why we got these funny videos of you. It's you, ma'am.
Bro, text me questions so it'll look like
This is actually
I'm
good
being
quality.
productive.
Good quality.
Let me see.
That is good quality.
Xavier, it didn't do what it do the first time. Wait, let me go over. Hold on.
Right? Because it zoomed in.
I ain't touch screen. Dang it. Hold on.
Text something.
Okay.
The game.
Okay. Okay. Oh, I'm finna send you some questions.
Yeah, I put everything on Do Not Disturb, so.
Good. So nobody should call and interrupt your video.
Yes, okay.
Like they do to me.
So, what is my intro gonna be? Like, does it have to be the same intro for every video?
Your musical intro? The thing that starts?
No, like when I say, hey.
Oh, yeah.
Like, it has to
yeah,
be
but be creative with like, hey, back with another video. Something, you know.
Oh.
Ma'am. You do it to yourself.
Are you talking to me?
No, her.
I was turning on image quality.
Oh, girl.
Oh, what's fine? It's fine.
Fine is very nice.
And normal is just okay. I was trying to figure out which one is better.
Close the door. Remember to unlock it. I was talking to Mar.
How you go back though?
What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. What? Another what?
Welcome to my channel.
Another what, sis?
Welcome to my channel.
You don't have a video. You don't have a video up. Get it together. I can't. I don't have any questions, so I can't start anything.
Okay, let me.
Because the people.